Hello friends, today we will discuss shape of atomic orbitals. Shape of atomic orbitals, we know the orbitals are S, P, D and F. We will discuss today the shape of atomic orbitals. S orbital. For S orbital, L value is 0. L value is 0 and the probability depends on the distance from the center of the sphere and not on the direction. And the shape of the S orbital is spherical shape. S orbital is spherical shape. S orbital spherical in shape. For p orbital, L value equals to 1 and p orbital is triply degenerate, px, py and pz. P orbital px, py and pz. Px, py and pz, the lobes of the p orbital are concentrated along the respective coordinate axes. P orbital px, py and pz, this orbital, the lobe of the orbitals, for px orbital this is px and the lobe of the orbitals are directed along the x-axis. For py, the lobe of the orbitals are directed along the y-axis, and for pz orbital, the lobe of the orbitals are directed along the z-axis. And the shape of p orbital is dumbbell shape. P orbital is dumbbell shape. This is px, this is py and this is pz. Next, for d orbital, L value equals to 2 and d orbitals are, we know that dxy, dxz, dyz, dx square minus y square, dz square. For d orbital, dxy, dxz and dyz, the lobes are concentrated in between the axes. For dxy, this is dxy, the lobes are concentrated in between the axes. If we can also if we mark here, this is plus, this one plus, this one minus, dxy. This is dxz, the lobes are concentrated in between the axes, plus minus. This is dyz. dyz orbitals are concentrated along the y and z axis, plus and minus. Dx square of minus y square orbital, these lobes are concentrated along the axis dxy and dx square minus y square along the x and y axis. For dz square orbital, there are two lobes concentrated along the z axis with a concentrated ring in the xy plane. This is dz square. So S orbital spherical shape, P orbital dumbbell shape, px, py, pz, and D orbital 5-field degenerate, dxy, dxz, dyz, dx square minus y square and dz square. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और अगर आपको कुछ इसके बारे में जानना है, फॉर मोर डिटेल्स यू कैन कमेंट ऑल्सो. थैंक यू.